This is the AI News Flash for April 4th, 1 p.m. UTC. First up, Cursor has officially released version 3, a ground-up rebuild of its AI coding IDE. The new version introduces an agent-first interface, allowing developers to run multiple AI coding agents in parallel across local cloud and remote SSH environments. A new design mode lets users annotate browser UI elements directly to guide code changes, and agent sessions can now be launched from mobile, Slack, GitHub, and Linear. With annual recurring revenue holding at $2 billion, the release intensifies competition with Claude Code and Codex. Next, researchers have disclosed 2 new Rowhammer attack variants targeting NVIDIA GPUs. The attacks, named GForge and GDR Hammer, target Ampere generation GPUs with GDR6 memory. By repeatedly accessing carefully selected memory locations, attackers can induce bit flips that corrupt GPU page tables, ultimately gaining full root access to the CPU. Testing confirmed the vulnerability on 25 GPUs, including the RTX 3060 and RTX A6000. NVIDIA's newer Hopper and Blackwell generation GPUs include built-in mitigations. This discovery has significant implications for AI data center security, where GPU clusters process sensitive workloads. In regulatory news, Utah has become the first U.S. state to allow AI systems to prescribe psychiatric medication. The move is aimed at addressing severe psychiatrist shortages in rural areas, where access to mental health care remains limited. However, experts have raised safety concerns about AI diagnosing mental health conditions and prescribing medication without direct human oversight. This represents one of the most significant expansions of clinical AI authority in the United States to date. Finally, as Apple marks its 50th anniversary, CNBC has published a detailed assessment of the company's AI strategy. The report argues Apple blew a 5-year lead on AI, having abandoned frontier model development in favor of integrating Google's Gemini into Siri. However, former insiders say Apple can still win, citing its hardware ecosystem of billions of active devices as an unmatched distribution advantage. The App Store model for third-party AI integration could become a significant new revenue stream, turning Apple into a platform for AI rather than an AI developer itself. That's all for this AI News Flash.